what you just said, you was right about that.
I don't know.
Ako ka nagpapakain ng kids.
Let me see. Yeah, in case.
Why you say it like that?
Well, I don't know. I just kind of feel some type of way about her.
How?
But she's kind of bipolar, you know. One time she's here talking to us, and the other day it's like she don't even know us. Like,
Yeah, I understand. But I got used to it, even though I don't like it.
when me bothers me.
Do you maybe want to talk to her about it?
Well, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know where to start, honestly.
You should give it a try. Just tell her how you feel.
Come in. Hi guys. How are you?
Good.
So how are you guys?
We're good. How are you?
I'm good. As you guys know me, you know I'm always happy, smiling, and all that.
Yeah.
How are you?
Nice.
Good, good. You?
I'm good.
That's good. Good.
Did I interrupt you guys?
Um,
I can go back if you guys.
No, it's
are
okay,
having
stay.
serious convo.
you can stay. I think.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I think Adele has something to tell you.
I do.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm listening.
Well, I don't know how to say it, but I feel like as a friend, sometimes you be doing things without considering how you might feel at the end. You be acting like so moody, like, and when we meet, sometimes you don't even. It's like you don't even notice it. Sense.
I do.
Yeah. Okay. Like you kind of bipolar in that sense. Like you with us, talking to us, all happy, and then the next minute it's like you don't want anything to do with us.
Yeah.
Like you wanna have anything to do with us.
So how long have you been feeling that way about me?
But it's been a while.
Okay.
See, I knew I shouldn't say anything. I knew you wouldn't take it well.
So probably you've been feeling bothered for a long time by me, and let me just say this: you're not the only one. You're not the only one. I have a lot of people that be telling me that, but it's time for me to tell you guys just how I am. I go through a lot. I go through a lot, and most of the times I be overthinking about my life, and the reason why maybe I act the way I act is because I don't be wanting people to know the real me, you know. I know I should have told you guys, my friends, but I feel like you should have asked before, you know, even feeling or thinking about judging me. Like you telling me this right now, just because I came. I don't think you was gonna tell me if I did not come in here, but I feel like you should have came to me before, like coming to me like this. But I'm sorry for not telling you before, but I just want to tell you guys that I have a lot going on in my life, and I need people to be there for me. I need my friends. So I feel like as my friend, as my person, the time you saw me passing by, you should have asked why. Maybe that time I needed you. That time I needed somebody to tell me that everything is gonna be okay. Maybe you would have been my shoulder to cry on, but you decided not to say anything at all, and you expected me to do what?
Continue being happy.
I don't know. I feel like you should have came to me before judging the way I act with you or with others, because this smile on my face covers a lot of
through that without your friends.
No, you cool, you cool. It's not just you, you cool, you cool. I'm just glad you just say it, you know. 'Cause
Yeah, but it's, as your friends, we should be there for you, you know, and yeah, not expect you to be happy like all the time, be in the mood, and we are sorry that we dismissed your emotions.
Yeah, I'm so sorry you feel that way. Like you went through all of that and we did not check on you. As people, we're so quick to judge. Tugende nyine kuyitubona. But you know, we need to pray to God, to ask Him to give us strength to be able to understand what people are going through, and to have the courage to go and talk to them, ask them why they are acting the way they are acting. I'm very sorry.
ubundi ikintu nshaka njyewe nshaka kunyubarira ukundi nimba nari kwifataga uko ubyifuza uzunganiriza umbaze se kuki uri kwifata gutyo na gutyo kuko buri kintu cyose kiba gifite impamvu dufite ubuzima butandukanye so nubona ndi kwifata uko bitagushimishije nubwo ahita ugenda mu kirere mu banzi bawe nangwa se umbwira ati ariwe ntabwo yitayeho nk'inshuti ye ntabwo this and this and this ahubwo vayo mbaze impamvu ndi kwifata uko ndi kwifata kubera ko hari abantu baba bashaka guseka kugira ngo umunsi wire so rero nujya ubona ameze gutya please don't be quick to judge, just come to me and ask why I'm acting the way I am.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Other than that, you guys are good now. No, because
And we are for you.
yeah, it is. Yeah, thank you guys. But yeah, thank you for even
Yeah, I'm glad we could have this conversation.